my channel. Today I want to show best out of waste. And this is the one. This is the waste of pencil and this is the waste of tea leaves, and the message is save tree. The next one is ink. There are so many emotions. The first emotion is happy. First emotion is happy, see it. Second emotion is yummy, see it. Third emotion is sad. Fourth emotion is angry. See it, and this is made of paper cups. So friends, I hope you liked my best out of waste things. So friends, thanks for watching my video and please like and subscribe.